Imagine, a beautiful country lies in the heart of Europe that vanished from maps for 123 years, where beautiful women are a unique attraction for tourists. Their effortless grace and striking features, high cheekbones, radiant skin, and warm smiles, leaving you breathless. They chat animatedly, embodying a blend of strength and elegance that's impossible to ignore. Today, we're diving deep into life in Poland, the country of extremely beautiful women and untouched nature. With a population of 38 million, Poland proudly stands in the heart of Central Europe, like a bridge between East and West. It's bordered by Germany to the west, the Czech Republic and Slovakia to the south, Ukraine and Belarus to the east, Lithuania and Russia's Kaliningrad to the northeast, and the Baltic Sea washing its northern shores. Covering about 312,000 square kilometers, roughly the size of New Mexico, Poland boasts incredible diversity in its landscapes. From the sandy beaches of the Baltic coast, where amber washes up like buried treasure, to the rugged Tatra Mountains in the south, reaching over 2,500 meters high. In between, you'll find rolling plains, thousands of lakes in the Masurian region, often called the Land of 1,000 Lakes, and vast forests that cover nearly a third of the country. Life in Poland is affordable compared to Western Europe, making it appealing for dreamers and families alike. In 2025, the average cost for a single person is around 3,000 to 4,000 PLN monthly. Excluding rent, that's about $750 to $1,000 USD. A one-bedroom apartment in Warsaw city center rents for $2,500 to $3,500 PLN, while outside it's cheaper at $1,800 to $2,500. Groceries are affordable. A loaf of bread costs 4 to 6 PLN, milk 3 to 4 PLN, and a meal out 30 to 50 PLN. Public transport is efficient and cheap. A monthly pass in Krakow is 100 PLN, with trams, buses, and high-speed trains connecting cities. Utilities add 500 to 700 PLN for a small flat, and a coffee? 10 to 15 PLN. Healthcare is mandatory insurance, around 400 PLN monthly, but quality is good. Expats love the value. You get European quality at half the price. Of course, Warsaw is pricier than smaller towns, but overall, it's a place where hard work pays off without constant financial stress. Poland's economy is a success story that inspires. Once behind the Iron Curtain, it transformed after 1989 into one of Europe's fastest-growing powerhouses. In 2025, its GDP crossed the $1 trillion mark, ranking it among the world's top 20 economies. Growth hovers around 3 to 3.5% annually. Driven by manufacturing, think cars from Fiat and Volkswagen plants, tech innovation in Warsaw's Silicon Valley hubs, and services like banking and IT. Agriculture thrives too, with Poland being a top exporter of apples, potatoes, and dairy. Unemployment is low, around 5%, and the country attracts foreign investment thanks to its skilled workforce and EU membership since 2004. Average monthly salaries are about 6,000 to 8,000 PLN net, roughly $2,500 to $2,000 USD, higher in cities like Warsaw. It's not all roses. Inflation and global events pose challenges, but Poland's resilience shines through. This economic boom means a high standard of living, safe streets, free university education, and universal health care that, while not perfect, keeps people healthy and hopeful. With such stunning geography, it's no wonder Poland is home to about 38 million people, a population that's diverse yet united by a shared resilience. Warsaw, the capital, is the beating heart, with over 1.8 million residents, rose like a phoenix from World War II ruins. Today, it's a buzzing metropolis. Sleek skyscrapers like the Warsaw Tower pierce the sky, while the reconstructed Old Town, a UNESCO site, Charms with colorful facades and cobblestone streets echoing with street musicians. It's a place of contrasts that tugs at your heart. Reminders of wartime destruction blend with vibrant cafes and tech hubs. Southward lies Krakow, the cultural soul with 800,000 residents, where the medieval Wawel Castle overlooks the Vistula River like a guardian from the past. Wander its Rynek Główny Square, Europe's largest medieval plaza, alive with horse-drawn carriages and flower markets. It's pure magic. Up north, Gdansk, population 470,000, enchants with Hanseatic architecture along the Motława. Its shipyards a nod to the Solidarity movement that changed history. Amber shops and seafood stalls add a seaside romance. Then there's Warsaw, the Venice of Poland, with over 100 bridges spanning the Oder, home to 640,000 and whimsical gnome statues hidden for fun hunts. Poznan, with 530,000, boasts a Renaissance town hall where mechanical goats butt heads daily, a quirky tradition that delights. These cities aren't just places. They're emotional hubs of innovation, art, and community. The people of Poland are the true heartbeat, resilient, proud, and kind-hearted. They've endured invasions and uprisings, emerging with a spirit that's unbreakable. Family is everything. Weekends mean gatherings with babcias, grandmas, homemade soups and stories. Education is prized, with high literacy and innovative minds driving progress. Now about the women. Where to begin? Polish women are often celebrated for their extraordinary beauty. Think luminous skin from fresh air and healthy diets, expressive eyes, and figures honed by active lifestyles like hiking or cycling. But it's more than looks. They're independent, educated, and ambitious. Many hold top jobs in tech, medicine, or business, balancing careers with family. In cities like Warsaw, you'll see them in stylish yet understated outfits. Jeans, boots, minimal makeup, exuding confidence that turns heads. Rural areas add a wholesome charm, with women tending gardens or leading community events. They're warm, witty, and fiercely loyal, making relationships here feel genuine and deep. It's no exaggeration. Poland's women blend outer allure with inner strength, creating an intoxicating mix that's drawn admirers for centuries. History in Poland is a roller coaster of tragedy and triumph that shapes its soul. Once a mighty kingdom in the 16th century, it was partitioned by neighbors in the 1700s, vanishing from maps for 123 years. Reborn in 1918, it faced devastation in World War II. Invaded first, losing 6 million lives, Warsaw razed. Post-war communism brought oppression, but the 1980s Solidarity movement, led by Lech Wałęsa, sparked peaceful revolution, toppling the regime in 1989. Joining NATO in 1999 and the EU in 2004 marked rebirth. This past evokes deep emotion. Poles honor it with museums like Auschwitz, reminders of horror and resilience, fueling a national pride that's fierce yet humble. Culture in Poland runs deep, like the roots of its ancient oaks. Shaped by a turbulent history, partitions, wars, and rebirth, it's a tapestry of traditions that evoke strong emotions. Catholicism plays a big role. Over 80% identify as Catholic, and holidays like Easter or All Saints' Day bring families together in poignant rituals, lighting candles on graves under starry skies. Food is soul-warming. Pierogi dumplings stuffed with cheese or meat, hearty bigos stew, and osypek smoked cheese from the mountains. Try zapiekanka, a street food baguette topped with mushrooms and cheese. Simple, yet addictive. Music and dance pulse through folk festivals with polka rhythms and colorful costumes. Literature from Nobel winners like Wisława Szymborska adds poetic depth, while cinema from directors like Andrzej Wajda tells stories of human spirit. Poles are warm once you break the ice. hospitable, with a dry humor that lightens even dark times. And the language? Polish is melodic, though tricky with its s-sizes and sized sounds, but English is widely spoken in cities. But every paradise has its secrets, and Poland hides some that will leave you in awe. Deep beneath Krakow lies the Wieliczka salt mine, a 700-year-old labyrinth of chambers carved from salt, including stunning chapels with crystal chandeliers, all underground. It's a UNESCO wonder, whispering tales of miners' lives. In the northeast, the crooked forest near Gryfino features 400 pines bent at 90 degrees. Like nature's puzzle, theories range from wartime tanks to ancient rituals, but no one knows for sure. Head to the Bieszczady Mountains for wild solitude, where wolves howl and stars blanket the sky unpolluted. Wolf's Lair in Masuria? That's Hitler's abandoned bunker complex, overgrown and eerie, a haunting reminder of history. Or Zalipi, the painted village, where homes bloom with floral murals hand-painted by women for generations. A burst of color in rural quiet. And don't forget the moving dunes in Słowinski National Park, shifting sands that swallow forests whole. These hidden gems reveal Poland's layers. Beauty intertwined with mystery, nature guarding ancient secrets. As our journey ends, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more discoveries. Thanks for watching. Until next time, explore boldly.